This tutorial guides you through searching and exploring AI tools within the CANON Directory. You will learn how to perform searches, navigate results, and access detailed tool information. Click the Search table to begin your search for AI tools in the directory. Enter your search term to find relevant AI tools, such as typing ChatGPT to locate related entries. Navigate to the search results area where matching AI tools are displayed based on your query. Select the first match from the list of results to view detailed information about that AI tool. Click the Next button to proceed to the following item in the search results for further exploration. Click the Next button again to continue browsing through the available AI tool entries. Continue clicking the Next button to review additional AI tools in the directory. Advance through the search results by clicking the Next button to see more AI tool options. Click the Search table again to initiate a new search or refine your existing query. Enter a partial search term like chat to broaden your search and discover more AI tools. Navigate to the updated search results that reflect your new or refined search term. Select an AI tool description from the list to view detailed information, including features and summaries. Click the News Chat tool to access its specific details and learn more about its capabilities. You have successfully searched for AI tools, navigated through results, and accessed detailed information within the CANON Directory. Continue exploring other tools or refine your searches to find the best AI solutions for your needs.